Hi guys, so kakanta pa tayo ng kakanta pa tayo kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang muna kumanta. So, kakanta muna tayo. Okay. Ang ganda ba yung mga naiisip ko? So, okay. Ate, dun ka na sa kwarto.
Video ka lang eh.
Nagbibideo ako Ate, please. Pagtapos na ako, ipapalikan mo na ako. Kakantahin ko is I Got the Power. So, let's go. Feel like me. Ay! Wala pa. Yeah. Big. Ay. 1, 2, 3, go. Big. Ay! Wait lang kasi. Okay. Dapat nasa low place ako eh. 1, 2, 3, go. Hindi ko talaga magawa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait. Ayun! 1, 2, 3, go. It's so big, but it walk like that. It's anybody can do that. You're the man. I get the power. You make right. You make the power. You send now. I'm in the bank control. This road, all it is. Who got the power? Yeah. Oh, I got the power. Oh. You the man. I got the power. You man. You make the power. You shut down. I'm in control. This is what my US on. So yeah. Who got the power? Yeah. Not of us. Yeah. Oh my God, there is no serious guy. You do well. I got the you made it. You make the power. You said that I've been in the control. Please don't make if it's on the side. I got the power. Okay. Medyo napagod ako dun sa lambot boses ko. Guys, sa mga gusto ng gandang bracelet, click the subscribe button!